COVID-19 inoculation is well underway in Quebec. In the last week, the Moderna vaccine was rolled out in Apitsawan, a community hit with more than 100 cases. In Kahnawake, where elders, healthcare workers, and paramedics are receiving their shots. The Cree communities got started Wednesday. By Thursday, the Atikamekw of Wimotashi had their turn. But still waiting for the vaccine, or even a word from public health, is the Algonquin community of Kitigan Zibi, population 3,600.
It's a lot of delaying, it's a lot of unanswered questions, it's a lot of unknown.
With cases rising in the region, Chief Dylan Whiteduck took his request straight to Indigenous Services Canada and Quebec's ministries, asking for 4,000 doses of the Moderna or Pfizer vaccine ASAP.
I do appreciate and value the rollout plan that Ontario proposed, which had First Nations on the first level, which is great to see, and kudos to that government and that province. But unfortunately here, we're being pushed aside.
In Quebec, remote First Nations are fourth in line priority-wise, even with active outbreaks of COVID-19. This week, the Quebec government presented their outlook.
By February the 8th, the target is to have approximately 250,000 people vaccinated.
But politics are interfering. Quebec wants more vaccinations, but blames the feds for stalling. In a tweet, House of Commons leader Pablo Rodriguez accused Quebec of withholding more than half the doses received.
I feel the anger within the community is rising. The reason being is that there's no concrete rollout game plan for First Nations that are considered rural, which is totally dissatisfying in my viewpoint.
We tried the Indigenous Affairs Ministry for more information, and they in turn referred us to the Provincial Health Ministry. In an emailed statement to APTN, they said they weren't aware of Kitigan Zibi's vaccine request, but have asked for a status update from regional health authorities. They say if the community is ready and the doses are available, they'll set something up, which is more of a response than Chief Whiteduck received.
I'm saddened the fact that you were able to receive a response on our behalf and we didn't receive anything. That's what we have to deal with, unfortunately, and that's why it's unacceptable on terms of when are we going to receive a vaccine.
He hopes Kitigan Zibi's temporary measures will contain the outbreak while awaiting news from Quebec. Lindsay Richardson, APTN National News, Montreal.